our bed of a pa. We just show our bed of a pa. No time for any imbecility. There's no time. And then be Sika. Sika Masaba and a baby girl and a baby boy. Omuni dear. And the baby girls, you know, be dear man in D. Shall see Chagum, winning code, foul for Nichagum. Star 281 hash. Not what selected Adom TV. Na what boss sent, no what catch no say. Ticket be 5 Ghana cedis. Chan ne do to me a baby girl cha 5 cedi would 5,500,000 Ghana cedis. Baby boy a cha 35 Ghana cedis. Would be 5 million. That is 500 Ghana cedis, 5 million old Ghana cedis. Me baba draw here, draw no NCBA. Draw no NCBA. We catch you in about 25 minutes. We are going to be doing the draw at the moment. Elizabeth, some choco commentary. We'll be doing a live draw right here in the studios of Fire for Fire, Fire for Street, Fire for Fire, Doom TV, live draw. It will be the countryman, baby boy alongside my guys, Okoma Clad Stone, and Dennis Asamoah, senior they call him, more fire.
Fireman,
Anti-foul phone, more, we are more. And the boss now too said the boss near more. Yeah, me young coupon. So I run the show need to me run me. You understand? And well, I say, hey, you rich man, won't you please give up? Tell me where you get it. And if I know Sika ni Sika live Adom TV. Star 281 hash. No selected Adom TV. Ticket be 5 Ghana cedis. A ticket be 5 Ghana cedis. Ube to make more 10 Ghana cedis, 15 Ghana cedis, 20 Ghana cedis. Foul phone no. Say ni ka ye enter draw no. So per se ultimate 5 Ghana cedis and our 10 Ghana cedis are foul phone. And one is a star 281 hash. No selected Adom TV. Just a boss star 281 hash na bossen. Obeka se selete. Adom TV na toss of 4. The fourth one, Adom TV na selete. O selete Adom TV ni wia boss send. Obeka chose 5 Ghana cedis per ticket. Ubeti make more. Enti wucha ne do ube di Sika memo di 5 million. 500 Ghana cedis. Say me cheska memo diska. Me cheska memo diska o Fire for Fire. And sana ya commentary position of Fire sports minister. Say Kufuado president answer no obewie in term of office obewie say o president o Ghana ha. So obesisa minister spadia ye sports minister and also was a son first. Say Kufuado be reshuffle. Say Kufuado obe reshuffle. Say Kufuado president Kufuado be reshuffle. So obesi some ministers more. On the sports ministers no. Oka una pressure about turn about. So sports in koye eno so ka ho. Economy no e mo adin sika se mo adin. Na se sports so koye a. Na se sports minister. Wa ma pressure na ko high. E dey ama Ghana for sports near the quench pressure. Blasters are called 3 occasions, 3 times under this sports minister. Your national team singing in our country. African Cup for baby sports minister were balok only lock on to me and show any munyam a kufuado any Ghana for. It is over reshuffle. Reshuffle Baba and Sana was so as president. Sports minister no Sesano, Yini Frieso. economy no me fireman economy no me boy say baby boys baby girls being Sika anything na Sika buy no me dey ma Ghana for baby boys baby girls e wo fire for fire so e wo Adom TV eti pressure abra economy ni so ankofo atiasi abonten ya yes sports die nyina sports Ghana sports in Koye Blasters in Koye sports minister we entro nkoa wo stadium ye esipon oboa entro sports minister we twan tro say yakoje African Cup AFCON entro ni nyina yakowe Cameroon die no kra de ya share match back kura Buakufu Ado ne current administration we government we animas World Cup so ya qualifier sports minister wait to meet Sika edema Blasters management committee member say what you 13 billion old Ghana cedis each so mo aye there o ma Blasters so as Blasters are we wakata sports minister we Yusuf Mustafa since obey sports minister no Ghana ko qualify wa hifa baby e ko bo boxer enye Senegal ya bu Ghana boxers wo mu nyina omo ye 12 ya bu wo mu nyina sports minister we Blasters wo dia ko African Cup you me boa ni nyina yare World Cup yare ne so faso one say Kufu Ado president obe reshuffle ya sports minister no o kan ho no de pressure abeto maban no so aba Ghana for so pressure na wo de aba because sports ni nkoyi also assistant sports minister we Yusuf Mustafa also mu changing as sports minister and in the commenting position more fire okumakra Shatawali the fireman yi Dennis senior man mama Shatawali the fireman yi umumbe boame na yenye ojana shiwa bedo bepa we official Dennis Asamoah former Salt FM sports presenter joining multimedia eti Dennis ojana shiwa
Obaba director
fantastic Dennis Asamoah friend senior Dennis bo udini ede
Dennis Asamoah senior presenter obeti ma frame Alatula
Bo fire okumakra
Bakwamaka
stone
ensiroja
ujani shiwa
more fire obeba
bo fire
obeba ntempa
eti Dennis Asamoah
more fire say oba no eja no awe kam no
bo fire
eja na shiwa obeba oba nso a that positive energy no dey room no and na me ama manage on
more fire
because eja na dey oba mu a eso oye guard on say fire service you all person do jano now so when you da so no baby a wo it that positive energy no
fantastic
more fire
stone
more fire
and Dennis omo boame also mo boame Sika
more fire yeah ese Ghana for diska ese Ghana for diska yes ese Ghana for diska because here can it said ya na wo kan ba sports minister ni die se nipa no eni I mean, sa ho kire sam be kan ho pradia na say asem no pra enti na Adom TV especially fire for fire ye dia to ye ho so say wo TV no ne ye sign e ma Sika enti endei wo be dial star 281 no abo hash na ka
ma me fa me phone
e star 281
share stone
no abo hash no o de aka ho so now no uwie a chain prompt no na pick 4 no o select 4 na eno na ya Adom TV die no on see your other stations see ya ka say o tie nka e wa sempa 94.7 FM o tie nka e wa secondary takrade aseda FM o tie nka e wa Jewel FM e wa Dua Nkwanta o tie nka live e wa JL radio even obi po share live e wa Multi TV any DSTV any Go TV but then Adom TV yen ye code no e 4 into star 281 hash na no was select 4 no what can the episode to be
the fourth one
na pia gum
no but say car ya twere ni mu nyame be yakura bu afa so na je say de ya twere ni mu dambalis better matter so pia gum no na wudi
okay
wo person wudi di good no another director say baby girls na so wonte
yeah
wa so de o nidi o wa so de a u nidi ndi so person wudi di good aye sika aye 5 Ghana cedi
yes 5 cedi
5 cedi o de o momo no o de ma o baby boy no o push it 10 Ghana
yeah
what was it now what chiro ni di
cities now dey twa
wa ni ba bia
no be amount also twa 35 Ghana cedis say no mess no the wa twa now dey na dosu wo
akom na ko say you ring omo na omo ka so omo dia na ho adwiri
na ho adwiri
5 Ghana ko je 5 million 5 Ghana e ko je 5 million umpe we ope kaya moto am nti ba bia wo bia no ane say wo dial star 281 hash no wa select option 4 na ya Adom TV no po tikra na dem onyuma so na dem ti wo say draw no ukọ ya tesa o we ni anya de obi na this kind beto so e bo ma na ngofo ndia
life
life Adom TV fire for fire this is the hottest sports program or say watch your show na twa this is the time as also Sika edi kodidi because we show no watch from Meresan 14 years besin ne or G awards also nya award no any Sika na also be we no Sika o Sika we na libi me Sika tina fie na omomo no the dash no family Sika
mummy ntwangum
who fear
enti offer phone
star
281 hash
yeah sure
star 281 hash
me ba o me na me twa 20 Ghana
o de twa
na me twa 20 Ghana Mr. baby girls no me twa support
okay
me twa support
okay
it man ni kura me okay me pese man baby girls ni na edi
o interest no man so mo bedi
me pese man ni
na man fire you
but no but any day say dey who dey fine but me na wo wish
yes obi a on interest
na afi dey baby am
na me say emra man no so fire so na you the first guy that do fire for fire so
Sikaba ye che na man na dey wo hwe fire for fire na wo mpe Sikaba ye che na me si me nya oba ni
more fire
ususu nya ususu di
be man so ndi
be ma wunya o de bebre me ne dia sem na kai be ma wonu wo de kwa koma baby girl foforo me so baby girl ti wo mudi
se be ma so e se be ma ho e no de be ma
me so e se oba ne ho no kai fireman
fire wo mo fa ma this time
mata
Obasika
o de me ntwa
Obasika
me nya first draw ye ntwa me pese dem ye first draw live
it is o tie o trot room o tie on the private scam o tie on the office eno ya me office.com me trotroom.com me privatescam.com me baamu.com be bia o tie show ni bia no one say Sika o dial 2 star 281 hash no select Adom TV option
ma select Adom
no na wo pia e dia tum
my boss sen it was say 5 Ghana cedis per ticket
back 5 Ghana
more to bet me come more
bet me come more
20 Ghana
me minimum be a watch 5 cedi ono so de adida
so no baby girl ni twa 5 cedi
no baby girl ni twa 5 cedi what did this
obi 25 cedis as
so 5 cedis nenya 5 million 500 Ghana cedis ya be draw ni sisi ya
trafie na nka obi ase come the on Sunday uska utwa na di na wa fa ko didi
the way a percentage this ko amanfo atwa
amanfo
atwa mo fire
ko for pesca
trafie na nya hello send music o wo utwa wo bedi
so far say Kufa do your reshuffling as sports minister no ho ni say
sports minister me kura de na wo ka say or your reshuffle a enanka enka no eh fine but me kura de nka me say president say on chairman reshuffle no kura mans wa pam no say odikan Emma sports minister no edikan kura ye pam no answer sa reshuffle na ba
bonfire
unse na wo ka si pon asem sports minister obi nka say one efe no sebe enyaka
bonfire
and obi nso nka say one federation bi enyaka but sports minister o me wiase nyina wo say one efe ne da so de ye
bonfire
anasa unom na wo say the protocol say beka say in bed ni de onye sports minister ye betimi de ye ni ato so enu ti oba no obi chantro say a sports stadium aka a few percentage na enso be kono me makọ me call ye ne contractor na agya adwuma no adan ya ye ntuo moka
let the sports minister ne kan
to be chantro de a Ghana for a sipo ye tusu nyina ye nya hwe wo ho
bonfire
machine esi ho ena nkofo ewiem gas ye wiem and so obi eni ho
ha
obi eni ho
on fire
and ye twi no ma na egu no obi afa bi de ko
on fire
and the security for ho ye ntuo mo ka enti do pe no and obeba adwuma
and you try and trust
but this is a sports minister
o ma ye wi
sanete enti so
o ye sports stadium
onye watire se the competency no emwa Ghana sports because other sports no crowd yenka say ye ka se Morocco ye ko ho ya boxers call we
bonfire
Senegal Dakar omuntimi 12 and edi ko ba kukure no otimi wini ye e kino mu come story a no mu so aka dia be so sports minister no emwa ye
bonfire
oko
ni na blasters
federations obia esu ono ne concern no e blasters because
as won ko but okechire wo ji huska
pie obi ko
taxpayers
man scan shaman for ho
and wo ji huska
na odi akire
your money tika taxpayers money wo be sports minister no for the taxpayers money and didi wo blasters ho oko world cup wo so ko discount and no baba ye enkuntabu
na friendly match kura wo ko bi friendly match wo prepare akọ friendly match ewo US ya tekura sa tekura bi kura de me kura de ya omo kan me fo sesebsebe nya no kura ebi kura ka wa outside say sports minister no san china busuafo edika wo kura de da
visa semne de eno me kan say US for embassy no so mo hwe sa de de eno ho fraud election ya the promising for visa ya do be ko US ya do be ko US ya do be ko US well obiya ne shebled ya but ya do be ko US any visa racketeering de anya menwa sports minister we ashama blasters avi bibia mutu no chiska edema so called football people so omo management members 13 billion dollars sports minister we ashama ya view world cup view AFCON what the san na musa sports minister we obehwe ama Yusuf we di asa akọ AFCON ebe ba so Cote d'Ivoire kiyewu
Fama ukra na o say ne ballock ontimi fire apart from say we ballock no only lock
waji what the parliament
apart from say only lock no ekwe of faso edi tutu no ma ne so no etre say ne competence ni nya adwuma
ni sika no pentia sika no
ontimi tutu no ma
suno na meka
sanete
sika na wo pentia sports minister
sanete what do you sports minister wo no ye hunu sports minister sabesin ko wo apa Ultimi kwa nyɛ nya emwa ma sports ne ko
me de me se wo ye reshuffling me de me se
ene me ka no
se reshuffling pa ba ministry wa o se sports ministry or minister was se sano ekufuado at least kasa bebrebe ye bebrebe president bia ni wa obetena so wonye bi
want ye ye kanyina want ye
see president bia ni wa obetena Ghana so wonye bibi obi aye bibi president bia ni wa betima kasa we abetena so wonye hwe kufuado wonye hwe kwa ne education
more fire
onye hwe kwa ne free education and at least enimbuase sports minister we agunu no eye 3 major tournament ni nyina wawe
so disi wa
sa Cote d'Ivoire we are back to January no kufuado that time no ne term of office be kwa no ohia so obedi nkunim no de akọ asumdwem say was serving Ghana 8 years as president. Ubay reshuffling of sports minister also permanent first. Dennis Ojane Shewa.
Over international more fire. Ministry ache well you waste your time on your maybe Ghana sa na ehwe your maybe to say TV near the new media agro. Because you can't show say NDC time ni. Na MPP abreso. Any nya sports minister Mustafa. Ye obi free one e Mustafa bai. And Mustafa Eba no they no ho no try say ye be infrastructures e wo man mu ha bisa won say ye bi wo do ba nkuro ye o mia bebre ayaye bi but the then minister ni free so no papa we ba no e NDC abreso ana e MPP abreso until you watch all these things you put sa your money in the proper order said ya be obi be ka say MPP abre so wo ye obi ye bi na wo be to so but sa stadium ahoro na o ye so obesi ni na no ba we gya ni na bebre adane kwaye na hihye wuram and ye call afcon no me hu bi say as a ministry no any FA no kwan bi de dem sa kwan na de dem no am ye konya problem wo ho but after sa problem no mu konya wo ho no as omu ni omu nyina akoto nsa ba kwa didi wo ministry ni FA no say wo ba na ye wadwe so wo join omu line now they will force you to join their line nti say wo ankasa minister na so we stay focused and Ghana nya football nko o volleyball your basketball
ball fire
your amputee your a lot of competitions but your center no your Black Stars no Black Stars na your center for the past 10 years enye ye also ba as I join the line now I join the line no I don't know minim say the government of the land any important who say ministry na juma na o ye no you step in the right direction because so come major competitions we say Sika uko afcon uko fe we dey Cameroon dey poto o man bia no nka say o Ghana you call welcome Qatar the same thing echo see here enti you find a solution to the problems no you find a solution you hear say John the light ye Ghana no obi aba opeso odi ewu obi aba opeso odi ewu enya won say amanfo di kan US enya won say amanfo di kan US because if you don't join their line no ya ma no bi anya yi
president no also is excellency Akufo-Addo also Ghana sports minister no Timothy Sano reshuffling no say no crew Ghana sports minister na Okuma Kireka no or say reshuffling or no reshuffling
also Sani Sisia enyo and the
economic pressure no
news
sports nkoye kan ho
we see farmer eya no nkofo ntia say
MPP for no
show we dey bia ya na eya on top ni say the other car si wo kokompe sisia na wo yo bi car no wo the earphone 8 years
bon fire
wo wia sabe he o TV so dia wo ton toast dia wo ton ni sikan kitenkete na o magigigi na ya di tua tax pay no eno no omo na ebre enti omo nim kwaya sports netie enti want na ho say we sports minister oni FA no nkoda na mo di o man sika
the FA
o tia say that is why Ghana for call say enye se ye 10 krama racer for neba was sports minister no news omo petie ni say ye reassure no ye sports minister no ya fire no plans racer for
onim hu bi pa US match we ni Mexico match we na wo kan no
eno no bi aten
sika say ne wom say Ghana sika bi anim edi Ghana Black Stars and e kwa kobo ball no enti Ghana eni kwanse ye boka and o se ye nyesika wom sika say na sports minister o ka kire say Mexico for the my US for the my friendly matches are memenda we any double Tuesday ya be sa ya bobo sa two friendly matches we were US
ana we so obe ne se ba ku bi a wo ko tournament o se ye kwa aba ne ya be ya account ye fire no Ghana for fire no e ma ne account as
sports minister no or he's in bed on it so called football people for them and paba
sure
ni anything what me 13 billion old Ghana edema ni paba ko a blasters harry or a bad sports minister or say Akufo-Addo sisano fire for fire myself team we are going to be on you professional you say your town will be on town but okay on economic hardship I say economy meanwhile Akufo-Addo won your free plan we bibi free education cost still economy kura with this COVID and Ukraine war and Israel war kura abe peso you are hiding under the umbrella of sports ministry and we did taxpayers money anyhow as sports minister we soon infaso or see a Saka Akufo-Addo also assistant sports minister now mommy and quadron because amanfo
it is still no code no nie
amanfo atwa
papa 281
amanfo atwa
star 281 star 281
amanfo pesky
star 281 hash it was senior and one no
let us ade o meka o meka obi anka 5 million
more fire
now 5 million
more fire
500 Ghana cedis
yes
yeah chesses yeah fireman
before I be show no
yeah chesses yeah no yeah draw
more fire
yeah draw 500 Ghana cedis that is 5 million ccs tifa phone na dial Sika we are live draw
yeah
my my cheska be 8 times.
Yeah.
Emu 2 remember na edi. 6 ni na ye ma.
Okay.
Baby girls mucha me so mucha gum. O her computer na yes percentage in ekono.
More fire.
5 Ghana cedis per ticket.
More fire.
But over to me channel 10 Ghana cedis, 15 Ghana cedis,
Yeah.
20 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
And you dial *281#. No what saying? Who send a number 4, the 4th one.
Yeah.
And I'll be select it. Adom TV. Who select Adom TV na? No boss send. Obeka just say ube to me a ticket no 5 Ghana cedis per ticket. And I say ube to make more 10 Ghana cedis, 15 Ghana cedis. Cha ube di se sia na draw ne baso. Ne draw se sia. Bottom nya uhieska uhia 5 million, uhia 500 Ghana cedis se sia. Me de ma wo Adom TV fire for fire so se sia.
More fire.
More fire. Ayi Fosua Papa Bi Hotel. My
Hotel.
Aha.
Between Accra and Sawam.
Yes.
Okanta hono.
Okanta Junction.
Hotel na kita apartment no.
Yes. Aha.
Apartment hotel.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Brother.
It's no family.
Fosua Papa Bi Hotel.
Wow. Now hotel rooms in Ankasa so eh.
And America say hotel na Ankasa wura ho a. Unse hotel de obekwa di kan kwohwe washroom. Uko hotel na person hu say baby a ukoda no.
Kase ukoda fie a.
Na baby person say baby a ukoda na afan.
Na person hu say fie na neat.
Wura washroom.
Thank you.
Na smell it. She
Scent to the washroom. Yes.
Enya entua kana pi.
Fosua Papa Bi Hotel. Unya no akọ.
More fire.
And a discount so the NFI for fire for the.
Ukona ukase fire for fire.
Straight.
Uti wo fire for fire so a. Near more special.
Swimming pool no baby girls no more area.
Ba wo ho a amanfo di birthday I will say yes.
Jaisa area mu has say who call na baby girls share. Imura mu was outside bombo.
Anyway, tira se o fire. Tira se.
Fosua Papa Bi
Tira se. Se me call live na e pa na.
Hotel a o bo abetima mi na idu. What? Fosua Papa Bi Hotel. Now super fight energy drink. Masa wo honey.
Yeah.
And natural herbs near the
Natural.
no cafe.
Natural.
Super fight energy drink.
Natural.
And natural herbs. And a war any the more fire. Now, Bema do near delay man caps.
Delay man.
Obejina.
Obejina.
Kremene.
The Obechebao.
Wo cheba so na ma ne pe. Be ma de o twira ma ne mpo.
Ujina so.
So
Ocheba bo. Ocheba.
Na wo team.
Obecheba. But from 18 years ago.
And above. Yeah.
And above.
Undi 18 years.
Unko Tobi.
Yeah.
Okwa omuntoma.
Yeah, omuntoma.
Delay man capsules.
And a food and transport for Nigeria.
E ma ho cheba. Se be ma nko a be ma
duro.
Matias. More fire.
Ebema.
Jana fido fo ne.
Fido bobosia.
Ba wo ba wo so utua.
Utua ene yetum mawo. Mimi ni mobi asisi a fido no oje 4,000 from fido. But was starting 200 Ghana cedis.
Fido.
Very
credible.
So wo dia na utua na interest no like de bia no o increase mawo. Ema wo no hunya opportunity ade beje more.
Very credible.
Sanity.
Fido obabosia.
Yeah.
Fido. Na Fido so anya office bia o.
Anya office.
phone. Star 711 star 999 hash.
Na beguso. Simple.
Obabosia dia atua. O Fido.
O de ka atua o kuro bi so ko.
O de ka
atua ye fre kuro bi dege o so de ka atua.
Ye fre kuro li say
dege.
Ja ma me draw back way. Dege for. Ayi muti na me be draw. Dege for. Muti na me be draw.
Dege.
Sika o de
dege. O de ka atua.
O de ka atua. O de Fido ka atua. Dege for. We the video for the very dege for. O de ka atua. Fido. Sisi. Now you got draw no Sika. Okumakira.
More fire.
Why need baby girl draw me enko. Omi draw me enko. Okumakira. Omi draw me enko.
And I say aba this side to. Western nomine Ashanti nentai.
Draw the life. Catch any so
on life. Wusum
5 million at stake. 500 Ghana cedis.
We say wusum wo TV ni so. And for any life wusum
500 Ghana cedis.
Ni wusum na manfo ndiska.
Yes. Dabi draw no kama. Ono ama signal no. Bi akopa. Fantastic. Ya pese hu ni life. Jessica.
Yeah.
More fire. You pese hu ni life for screen so.
It no man about so be good screen so. As ya bo am yate.
Yeah.
We kululu bi animo
bo fire.
Bo un se abo nti wi anipa no obu okra ofre na. Ofre no say, "Hey, mama here." Or say, "Hey, somebody o enra guy no." Say you wi na me cast osmosis in friend no. Or say, "Hey, somebody o onu ko ni
say we
di ho kra say we twa di enti sanete e
entina fie ma comment
bo fire
entina fie ma comment
sika etu me ye draw na na ye
okay more fire
draw na na ye
more fire
enti twagum because your first draw and your second draw
yeah
etu fa phone na be twagum a e star
281 hash
yeah no select option 4
what pick 4 no
4
Adom
na do dia 5 CDs
okay draw na economy
more fire
Kai 0246 378 with you 0246 378 a baby girl number we a man for Bema o mum yes space ni bi no mobile money Bo
na nzumeti ni bi
share code Sika o
bi ameti shout Kanish
so meti menya sa number we
benya sembo kwa
ya ni pa le be kasa sisi a na fe ya ni Ghana for so akasa wa ma no so emre wa but ya kwa abonten
yeah
excellency na Akufo Addo Ghana your sports come from your blasters come from your sports minister sports no ntimi or the Aqua World Cup, ye din kuguo, and the Aqua Afcon, mienu ye din kuguo. Ojina hokwa sports minister no. Taxpayers money na OD di tuyane kakwa.
So your sports minister or planner fireman here. Yes. Say ye GG sports betting tax no.
More fire.
See so much money 15 million Ghana cedis.
More fire.
Our target no any 60 million Ghana cedis.
Fantastic.
So a sports minister sebi or planner.
More fire.
Kasaska no obeji dia be sports no.
Ni dia ne se obeji dia
omoji esika enti o.
Nka odi baba be sports no mu futuo no.
Ni dia ne se
watibi dia other sports.
Ni dia ne se blasters.
Competence ni.
Obeche scammer so called management members no no wan yiska kese.
Ontimi.
Ota se blasters baba friendly matches ontimi kan kire Sika ewum. Ghana japade. Obeka say a professional way yempese ebe kasa man Japan also transparency adwuma so the sports minister onye transparent
onye transparent
Ghana sports minister onye transparent
obi ani kofo bebiri na fa ba obi ani onye transparent
so also Akufo Addo sesa no the president Afcon ebe ni kwanse sports minister we dey because we got 2 times in our way
of course
when Timmy and Pub group stage
ya rikeke eyenim guase
no wasaka tese ye ko US no ya nji government Sika na de okonya ya no ba ka tese
nyesi ya ko rikeke we na ye the worst ever Ghana ya ba ko se
because Cameroon ni ama obi e she
bo fire hey baby girl Eddie hello you ba cha one woman so hello baby girl Eddie whoa baby girl o jana showa Obeba na o kasa free ya show e free
but we kasa free
Cape Coast wow ala orokodo ekenya atuma kama kasa awo egwala mo fire baby girl okay Messi nya sema awo egwala mo fire baby girl now we need to say
but so the
Agnes now we can say
but so we 45
hey now the 500 Ghana cedis equal 5 million why are dear baby girl minim say obey adwuma no me da se what me do why say can me ko break aba na Ghana for achiro maduna for sports minister wasan or say sports for Ghana so o si yes sano oba yes sports into any yes sports oh
but me so far
aha o temeka
Paper time.
Yes, sports and send you see kwa wani je ho.
Paper time there be.
Wani nyo.
Enko ye kra.
It's how who blasters say.
Paper time say.
Who blasters say.
Oh, but yeah, you say na our system ni mo.
Wa she. Wa eto wa she. Baby girl say blasters are in our system ni. Eto ye kwa bobo you as the sports minister as one who in entourage ko. We as America versus 3 months. What I say, woman be gaining in ano ya woman be nya problem. You understand? Eti baby girl, cause one ka second one over said the what? More fire Sika. A life me boy. I'll be back. Oja. Now tie Ghana for. Say change be about say sports ministry change if you are ever more fire. The next reshuffle of Kufuado Baya and Tan was solely free akunya so sports minister also we yin free. Sports minister were failing Ghana for AFCON World Cup ningina were failure. You see Mustafa only serious policies bia. Ni Diane say when you so called football people ebe delay with blasters. Tie Ghana for fire. More fire.
And abano kura wache. Here ye Ghana ye sports ministers bebraba. We dey make can say ye west kura o. Abano so obetie futua. Once sano, na Kufuado o ya yetintinti wo no me be ho. Eno me ha o man temam fo no, ye kan o emfa no. So, we obey football gu no chabano wo hu no. I was we yin free one time kura.
Sports minister no Brian wa bere so mo sesa no. No mpe foforo be shemu. Minister din si for minister na bibia si ne so. Aban no hwe no sesam. Russia for mbra honom.
It's on sesano. That is important. Let me be fair. It's important. I'm not seeing anything. I'm not seeing anything that is there to help our football. Our Poto. His administration is very poor.
Now, because so Ghana ha your sports minister wa Ghana ha. Me hu se bi wa ha was wada you hu hwe Ghana ball kwa hu ne ye kwakosi. Yensa no.
Odun kwa you hu djuma ko ye ntin nka. He say oye minister say oye den o ye enimu ya on for the djuma to pom. Na yen people for the show. En sa de pa dia ade be so me wen ya de kotoa.
Any sports minister okroma because odopa piabon ne bi sen ba betan say omo sports minister din chiro. Obi an kan onidimpo Yusuf Muhammad Yusuf Force one. Obi an kan nidim because say obi a oye adwuma po active a ka obi e obi a bo nya chiro. Minister ne de wa feli poto bra di omo nyi ne to je na mpe abrante bi mra ne say de kroma bibi anye.
Say ye hu ne wo ye. Say blaster nkwan na ye friends adwuma ye de ma government de ma say be ya na say den. Nti ye sere na so hwe na wa bra.
Among form sports minister na Kufuado. So by Risha finish a wonye kura na sports minister no Ghana for pen. Mamen draw last one 5 million in call. Otasi and then a man for abadodo. I injil cola party weddings naming ceremony here costed you. Okay, see ne dinu waba alcohol be injil cola, injil mango, injil peach, injil orange. Me pay. Say my pay injil cola no. More fire. Baby girl, Sarah, me to me draw. More fire. Sika. Oh, kaka krebi gumi na me draw. Champion. Yeah, we tell me draw last one. Dial star 281. No box send. Adom TV select a toss of 4. We select TV ticket be a 5 Ghana cedis per ticket. We bet to make a more here. Just under 30 seconds. Chagum. Na me draw here 5 million. 500 Ghana cedis. Back on count here. A man for a kegum, man, a man for a kegum. Yeah, network night day. I take off. Fire band the network. Pesa, Mofan Chemi. Wow, Shemi be I would see me be I'm slow. A chinam bar me try some me draw me and son. 5 million, 500 me and son. My guy, when you Sika obedi. Easy. Hey, oh, yeah, mommy news, you know.